namaste, welcome back to my channel Greet Tarot. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. So whenever you subscribe, please press on the notification bell for more updates. Whenever I upload, you can get updated. Okay, so if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me, for liking my content. Okay, for showing the love, thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's pick a card reading is going to be messages from Archangel Gabriel. So I have been planning to do this for so long, finally I'm doing it. So I have been getting this, I wanted to do this for so long, and finally I am here with this message. Okay, so let's see what Archangel Gabriel wants you to know. What are his messages for you guys. So remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So I have kept 3 astro dice here for you, so you can go with the color. So for group or you can just select intuitively a pile that calls to you. Okay, so for group number 1, we have this color astro dice. This is purple one. For group number 1, I'm gonna keep it here. For group number 2, we have this color, blue color, and for group number 3, it's a green color one. So close your eyes, relax, connect with yourself, and select a dice or a pile that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so close, relax, call upon Archangel Gabriel, and then select a pile that calls to you. And the timestamps will be in the description box, so you can go ahead and watch it accordingly. Okay, so I'm gonna go and start with group number 1. Thank you. Hello group number 1, if you chose this purple color, then this is your reading with me, messages from Archangel Gabriel. So let's just roll this dice, and let's see the message. Okay, just roll. I'm gonna roll this dice, and maybe you can get a number also, because it's house numbers. Okay, oh, we got the 11th house, Aquarius energy, right? 11th, it's like about speaking your truth. It's about ideas, a lot of communicating ideas. I feel like that. Okay, yeah, Aquarius house is all about like, yeah, searching for new ideas. Maybe you're Aquarius. Okay, maybe 11th house is going to be important for you guys. So yeah, I feel like taking action upon your ideas is going to be very important for you guys. It's time to not listen to other people. It's time to listen to your own ideas, your own intuition. Maybe you are listening to other people a lot. Maybe there are people around you who are negatively influencing you in some way, and because of that you are not doing the things you actually want to do. Maybe you're getting a lot of ideas, but at the same time you're so fearful of going forward with that idea, because you feel like that idea will not get what maybe you are thinking too much, or maybe there are people around you who are like putting that thought inside of you that your idea will not work out. So with this Aquarius energy, I feel like it's time to with this 11th house energy, it's time to take your ideas. It's maybe for some of you want to do something very different from what other people are doing, and sometimes when we do something different, people will come and say that it's not worthy enough, it's not good enough, so you don't have to listen to that. Okay, so yeah, Aquarius is important here. Maybe you are Aquarius. I'm getting North Node in Aquarius for some of you. Okay, maybe it's your destiny to do something very different. Okay, for some of you, I feel like you're going to connect with your destiny. You're going to connect with your life purpose finally. Okay, so yeah, let's see what, yeah, we have 4 number. Okay, she guards the waters of life. Okay, so I don't know, I'm very attracted to this nose pin. So maybe you have, or maybe you're planning to get some, piercing. So just go for it. Okay, maybe you need to just Google the spiritual meaning behind it. I'm sure there is some. Okay, and I feel you are protected by your ancestors. That is what I'm getting, first thing. And Archangel Gabriel is letting you know that as I said, there are negative people who are influencing you in some way. Maybe it can be media also, right? Some news, or maybe you feel like that you cannot achieve it, or maybe you're getting into too much negativity right now because of this current scenario or situation. Yeah, it's time to release that. It's time to wash away that fear So that is what Archangel Gabriel is here to tell you, that it's time to do some protect. Have a spiritual bath. Okay, whenever you feel very stressed, have a spiritual bath, relax, light a candle and relax, meditate, release all the negativity. We have full moon coming, so just do some releasing rituals for you guys. It will be important, because I feel you are surrounded by some people who are very negative, very toxic, and you need to get out of there. Okay, you need to release their energy. Maybe you are already out of that situation, but you have some of their energy. Maybe you think about them, maybe you're not, maybe you're holding on to them, right? Maybe they had said something about you in the past, and you think about it, and because of that you feel bad about yourself, or maybe you fear that what if my idea fails, or what if I do this, it becomes a failure, because people have told in the past that you cannot achieve this, or maybe this is not something that is worthy enough. Maybe someone has done that, has planted that inside of you. Now it's time to release that kind of things, and this is the best time to release it. I feel the full moon, we have the pink moon, right, on 26th. I feel like, yeah, we have this. I feel like it's on 26th. I'm not so sure. Yeah, 26th is tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not so sure, but I feel like it's in tomorrow. So just you do some releasing rituals, release this person, release the negative things. Or maybe for some of you it's like you need to detox, like social media detox you need to do, like get rid of the pages there who are like putting so much fear into you. Or maybe, yeah, if it's not good for your mental health, just unfollow. That's very important. And with this 4 number, Archangel Gabriel wants you to know that yes, don't worry about your finances, don't worry about your stability, security. You are protected. He is protecting you. Okay, so that is what I feel with this card. Okay, so yeah, let's see what else Archangel Gabriel has to add to this. Oh wow, oh, we have the dreamer. Yeah, interestingly, I told you about your visions, Aquarius. You have some visions, you have some ideas, and now you are like, you want to take that idea, but at the same time you're thinking what other people will what other people will say about it. Or as I told you in the past, people have done that to you. They have planted that kind of fear inside of you, and because of that you're not taking this leap of faith. I feel like that, and Archangel Gabriel is here to tell you that it's time to take that leap of faith. It's time to let go of that past baggages. It's time to yes, I feel you're carrying a lot of baggages inside of you. You're carrying it. Now it's time to release that baggages, and it's time to live the life you always wanted to, do the things you always wanted to, right? It's time to not think too much about your future. It's not the time. Yeah, with this dreamer card, I'm feeling like it's not the time to think too much. It's time to just take action and go with what you feel like. It's time to listen to your heart, because the dreamer is someone who dreams and take action to their dreams. Like fool, they don't think too much. They don't think about the consequences, right? Maybe with this dreamer card, I feel like, and we have 11th Aquarius energy. It's about a lot of ideas. I feel like that you have a lot of ideas, and maybe you're not doing it because of the fear. So it's like, just take that leap of faith and go forward with it. Okay, and cleanse these negative people, these toxic energies that are surrounding you, and just go. And when you follow your own heart, you will get a lot of unexpected opportunities, like a leap of faith. Follow your dreams, unexpected opportunities. Yeah, that is what it is. Yeah, starting a new beginning, right? So take that lead, move forward. So what else? Let's see. I'll take one more card for you guys with this Angel Tarot. Yeah, for group number 1. Okay, yeah, again renewal. Yeah, it's about judgment. So it's something, I told you, it's about aligning with your destiny or something. And yeah, I feel like it's time to get, these things are, it's like time. It's very, I feel like when you start doing this will move very quickly. So it's time to take that action. Like, it's time to follow your heart, like your angels, your Archangel Gabriel is like helping you with this, right? You have yeah, it's, you have, I feel for this pile, you have done what other people have told you for so long. Now is the time to follow your heart. Like, don't care about other people, don't care about the situation, the consequences. Right now Archangel Gabriel is like, release all that fears, release all that things that people have planted inside of you. Now it's time to like align with your life purpose. Maybe for some of you it will be complete career change, or maybe you will be completely like for some of you, maybe you will end in marriage and move forward, or maybe you're planning for that. Maybe you are in this toxic relationship and you have been staying in this relationship for other people, and Archangel Gabriel is saying like, now it's the time to take that different road, route you have been going, what society has been telling you to do. Like as society has so many lists, so many rules, right? You have been following all these rules, and because of that you are not happy at all. Now it's like you have so many dreams, you have so many ideas, you want to do it. At the same time, you're so much of in this fear-based energy, in this negative beliefs. Maybe it's your own negative belief system that you need to get rid of, and it's time to connect with your destiny. And in this, yeah, this is not going to be very easy thing. It's difficult, yeah, taking that step, taking a new direction, right? Taking a new path, it's difficult, but this thing will give you a lot of happiness. Okay, this will, I feel when you will take this take this direction, or maybe some of you have already started this journey, so yes, just keep moving forward with it. Okay, don't let your limited belief come in your way. Okay, sometimes that happens, and then we feel like very stressed, right? When we, yeah, I can get that energy when we think about a future, we feel stressed. What if this doesn't work out, so but definitely I feel there is a lot of angelic help for you guys with this renewal card. Yeah, it's time to take that leap of faith and move forward. Archangel Gabriel is like, if you have been thinking about that, it's like Archangel Gabriel is like, let's just go for it, speak your truth. Now it's time to do that, and now it's time to say no to people. If they're making you do something you don't like it, just say no and just do something that you always wanted to do, right? That is the thing I'm feeling for you guys. Let's see what else Archangel Gabriel has to add to this. Yeah, look, with this Magician and the Mirror. So with this Magician and the Mirror, you have the skills. I feel like that. Yes, you have the skills, you have the ideas, you can manifest anything that you desire, right? There's going to be so many possibilities for you guys, so don't stop, just keep moving forward with your ideas. Self-love is very important. Love yourself, get rid of that negative beliefs, as I told you before, and you have everything that you will get all the resources, you will be provided with all the resources that you want. Okay, so just take that leap of faith and move forward. Okay, so that is what I feel. I feel with this card. Look at the number 8, right? 8 is a very abundant number. Yeah, and it's also about Scorpio, right? Death energy, transformation, like letting go of letting go of the old you and becoming a new you, right? So the person who used to follow all the rules, right? You used to follow all the rules. Maybe you wanted to make everyone happy. Now it's the new you who is going to live for, sometimes it's important to live for ourselves. Yeah, and that is when we will be happy, and we can make others happy when we live for ourselves, right? Not for the society, not for other people. So that is what I feel like you are meant to do. You are meant to live for yourself. You are meant to create the things you want to create, not what other wants you to create, right? So it's about you, and you have the power, you have the capability, you have the talent. Everything is inside of you. It just needs to come out. You need to be more courageous. That is what Archangel Gabriel is saying. And yes, if you think that you can create, if your mind, I feel your mind is very, very strong, and if you think you can do it, you will do it. But if you think like, no, I cannot do it, then you will never do it. Okay, so that's also I'm feeling for you guys. So let's see what else. Maybe some of you should do the mirror work. Okay, I feel like that also. So let's see what are the numbers here for you guys. Music, oh, for some of you can be about music, that you want to do something related to music. Maybe you want to create music, maybe you want to write music, and people are like, no, 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 there's nothing in this music career, blah blah blah, and you're like, oh, what if I fail? And because of that you're not taking action. So it's like, for it's about, for some of you it's very specific, that music that you need to create, you need to take that route. You have been doing that job, like you are doing that corporate job for so long, and you have this passion of music, and because of that job you don't have to time to pursue this music, right? And because other people told you that in this music field you will never get a chance, blah blah blah, and so you didn't thought of, you didn't do anything for that. Now it's the time to do, now it's the time to do that thing. Yeah, for some of you, you have this creative thing, you have this talent, but you are keeping it with you, within yourself, because you are so afraid to show it to the world, right? Because of other people, because other people has told you that you are not worthy enough, that your music is not good enough. Maybe there were scenarios that happened in the past. So it's like Archangel Gabriel is saying now, no, don't stop, just, you have that potential, just go for it. You can create a beautiful music. Okay, for some of you it's like you need to listen to more music, because when you listen to music you become very connected with the spirit. I feel like that you receive a lot of messages through music. I feel through music you can manifest, through music you can receive messages. Music is going to play a very important role in your life, and maybe if you listen to music, maybe you get messages through songs. That is also, I'm feeling like you get a lot of messages from there. Archangel Gabriel communicates through music. That is also one thing, I feel like it. And maybe you're seeing number 555, maybe it's like time to change, it's time for, yeah, sometimes this change might feel very challenging, but this leads to a very positive outcome. Okay, yeah, so yeah, it's like clearing the past, healing the present, and moving towards future. Yeah, the future is very unknown, you don't know where it is going to lead, but Archangel Gabriel is saying trust and have faith in your own capabilities, because you're capable of doing this. Okay, whatever creative field you are in, you're capable of doing it. Yeah, don't worry. Sometimes, yeah, when we take a new direction, it's very scary, it's very fearful, but remember, archangels, angels, all the guardian angel ancestors are with you, they are protecting you, and I feel this is your destiny to do something different. You're not meant to go with the crowd, you guys. Okay, so yeah, look at the back of the deck, we have new beginnings, and look at the colors, we have red and orange. So yeah, it's all about your root chakra, it's about your stability, it's about your your finances. I feel like maybe you need to work on your root chakra also. For some of you, maybe you fear about your finances, your security, and that's why you're not taking this route, right? So it's important you do that. It's like new beginnings for you guys. So yeah, doing something very different. Yeah, for some of you it's like you have been accountant for so long, and now it's like doing something very creative, like your career is going to change like 360 degrees. So something very different, I feel like, but you need to have that courage, you need to have that, don't worry about too much about future, and release all the negative people, release all the negative beliefs you have. That is very important. Okay, that's all I received for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you chose this blue color, then let's see what is your message from Archangel Gabriel. I feel your third eye. If you're planning to open your third eye, yes, you will get a lot of answers. Maybe your clairvoyance also, maybe you see a lot of images, maybe your dreams are very important. Maybe you get a lot of messages through your dreams. So have a dream journal. So let's see what are your messages. Okay, so we have, which planet is this? Wait a second, I am not so sure about, yeah, it's Uranus. Okay, it's oh, unexpected events are gonna happen. Okay, something unexpected might happen. Oh, maybe your dreams are all, yeah, as I told you, might get some ideas unexpectedly. Take note on that ideas with this Uranus energy. Okay, yeah, we have 8 number. She who rides the owl brings justice. So yeah, your karma is going to be balanced, balance of karma. So if you have been thinking why people are getting away with these things, they're doing bad things and they get away from, you know, sometimes we feel like that, right? So remember, one of the universal law is law of karma. So no one will get away with anything. What they reap, they sow, right? So if they give goodness, they will receive it back. If they do bad things, they will receive it back in some form, right? So you don't have to think about that. For you guys, if you have been doing good things, if you have been planting that seeds, if you have been doing hard work, if you have been true to yourself, definitely you will reap that reward. And this goddess is also about wealth and abundance. So definitely there is rise in wealth, money, and yes, your karma is going to be balanced, so you don't have to worry about anything. Yes, for some of you, you will get something very suddenly, okay, something very unexpected might come, maybe some unexpected love for you guys. That is also, I feel like, some unexpected love, some unexpected money you might receive, or maybe some unexpected idea. If you get some unexpected, you know, and it's maybe for some of you, you are just sitting and you're just daydreaming, and you just get a sudden idea. Just take that idea and work with it, because that will give you so much of success. It's like Archangel Gabriel is giving you that idea, so you're getting a lot of ideas, a lot of communication. Maybe for some of you, it's like your images you see in your third eye. Take that idea, work on that idea, because that idea will give you a lot of success, abundance. Okay, so let's see what else for my group number 2. Some of you, if you're manifesting a relationship, soulmate relationship, I see maybe in your life you gave a lot in your relationship, but you never got back. But I see there is going to be an equality in your relationships. Okay, so keep an open mind also. That is also I'm feeling here, and don't judge a book by its cover. There might be people who will sweet talk. That doesn't mean they're good, right? Always trust your intuition. Yeah, always trust your intuition. That's very important, because I feel Archangel Gabriel gives you messages. Your intuition is quite strong. Maybe you will feel in your gut. When you will meet the one, you will feel it in your gut, because I feel for this pile, you might be, for some of you, are you manifesting a relationship, a new relationship? So when you will meet this person, you will know it. So trust your heart. Okay, so let's see. For some of you, I'm getting this Chariot vibe. You're going to move forward in your life, okay? Maybe from past relationship, you're moving forward. For some of you, maybe you got a divorce and you're moving forward. And yeah, but you're going to get the justice, don't worry. Let's see what else from Archangel Gabriel wants you to know. Wow, 2 of Swords. For some of you, you are doing 2 things at a time. Maybe you need to make a for some of you, it's like a 2 person you have in your life. Maybe 2 jobs or 2 choices that you need to make. Just trust your heart. That is what I feel like. And for some of you, you are handling your career, your work, and your home. Yes, you will be able to handle it properly. Don't worry. Maybe you do something too. Maybe you have 2 jobs, or maybe you have 2 things at the same time. Yes, you will be able to handle it properly. You have that. Okay. And maybe for some of you think that how much work I have to do, why I have to work so much, but other people are like they have an easy life, why I have a tough life. Remember, maybe for some of you, maybe you need to make a choice that I need to have only 1 job or something like that. If you feel like that, go with it. Or otherwise, I feel with this card that you will be able to handle 2 things at the same time. You are multitaskers, and if you are putting that much effort, you will receive it back. Okay. But I feel for some of you, if you're in a relationship where you're giving too much and the other person is not giving you anything, maybe it's time to think. Okay, it's time to think how much you deserve in this relationship. Okay, for some of you, that is also, I feel like Archangel Gabriel wants you to know that. But more, I feel like you will be easily handling 2 things at the same time. You have that talent. Maybe for some of you, you have a 9-to-5 job and a side hustle. You will be easily maintaining that. Let's see what else comes. Okay, wait. Maybe for some of you are stressing about this thing. Maybe you're stressing whether this 2 thing will give you the result that you want. So it's like you need to have a more playful approach. That is very important. Don't stress too much. Okay. Because I feel this will give you give you, you know, if you're working too much with this card, you will get it back, don't worry. High Priestess, yeah, again, I was talking about intuition, right? Listen to your intuition, have patience, consider carefully what you want before acting. So as I told, again, we have number 222s. Maybe you're seeing 222, angel numbers 222, and yes, angels are with you. Look at that, 9 of air. You have a lot of stressful energy also. So instead of worrying, instead of being in this fearful energy, it's time to listen to your gut feeling. It's time to listen to your intuition, because Archangel Gabriel is giving you a lot of messages in your dreams. There you see a lot of signs. If you see something, if you have a spirit animal that you see repeatedly, just Google it. If you are seeing a lot of signs right now, all you need to have patience, and yes, what you are giving to the world, you will receive it back. If you are working too much, you will receive that rewards back. Okay, you don't have to stress about it, but at the same time, enjoy life. Okay, don't stress too much. For some of you, definitely you felt like that you never had an equal relationship, but I feel like you will get that equality in relationship. So always trust your gut feeling. Okay, something unexpected for some of you, there might be a chance that someone unexpectedly might come into your life, and when that happens, all you need to do is to trust your gut feeling here. Okay, that's very important. So think before you act. Okay, so if you have two choices, think before. That is very important. And I feel when you trust your intuition, you will always make the best decision. Okay, so let's see what else for you guys. Yeah, again, look at the numbers. You have 22, you have 22, then 22, right? So maybe you need to 2222. Just go and Google it. That might be important. Yes, your energy is karma again. I'm feeling the balance. What you give, you reap it back. So yin and yang. So maybe for some of you, you are feeling emotionally imbalanced, so it's time to balance it. Maybe you need to get into meditation. Yeah, meditation will help you balance your emotions. Or maybe for some of you, you need to start journaling or do some releasing rituals. We have full moon so coming, so you can do at that time. Okay, yeah, release all that negativity. That is very important. But definitely balance is coming in your that is what Archangel Gabriel wants you to know. If you're feeling very imbalanced, if you have two things at the same time, you're giving too much, there is balance coming. There is a way out. Okay, there is a, I feel in the future you will make a choice that will be best for you. But when making choice, just trust your intuition here. Okay, so let's see what else for group number 3. Sorry, group number 2. Archangel Gabriel messages for group number 2. Archangel Gabriel messages for number 2. Self-discipline. Okay, yeah, okay. For some of you, you need to have faith. Maybe you need to, I feel like sometimes your faith, you question your own faith, you question why I am doing this, you question your divinity, you question angels. Maybe you believe in them, but at the same time sometimes you question them. So it's time to have this self-discipline in your own faith. Maybe I feel like that is where you need more self-discipline, to trust your intuition more and more. You need to have self-discipline there. Okay, very important. And even for some of you, you are doing the work, you are putting the effort, and you have been disciplined. Yes, you will reap the rewards. That is also I feel like. But I feel most the self-discipline should be in your faith, in your commitment, and you need to trust more. For some reasons, I feel sometimes you trust, but sometimes you don't trust. So there should be the self-discipline in trust also, in faith. Like, yeah. That is what is it. Sometimes when we exercise daily, when we are self-disciplined, we lose weight. Like that only is about our faith also, our commitment. So that is also important. So let's see one more card. Maybe you're seeing number 555. Also, I feel like spiritual partner. Oh wow. Okay, spiritual partnership. So yeah. We have high priestess and spiritual partnership. With this one message I'm getting, you're connecting more with your higher self. Okay, you are making a connection with your higher self. So yeah, if you have been working on your intuition, keep on working on that, because your intuition is going to be very, very strong. And when you make this relationship with your higher self, you make better decisions in your life. And for some of you, definitely there is a new person. As I told you guys, you had relationships where there was no equality, where this person was taking so much from you. But I feel if you are manifesting a relationship, yes, you are manifesting a relationship that is going to be very equal. Okay, for some of you, this can be your twin flame or soulmate energy that you are manifesting. For some of you, maybe it is related to your business or something. If you want to do business or something, that is also quite possible. You will meet the person that will help you, that will have the same ideas as you, right? They will understand you. So yeah, that is what is happening for you guys. But keep faith, keep that trust, and be committed to your work, and always trust your intuition while making decision, and think before you act, guys. And remember, there is karma. Okay, and for you guys, balance is coming. You're going to be very balanced in your life. Don't worry about too much. And yeah, something unexpected might happen for you guys, like unexpected information might come out of somewhere. So unexpected truth about your past might come, unexpected people might come, sometimes unexpected love might come, maybe you will receive some unexpected money. So that is also quite possible. That is what messages from Archangel Gabriel for you guys. Bye bye, take care. So group number 3, if you chose this green color dice, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what are your messages from Archangel Gabriel. I was just going to say Archangel Michael. So I feel maybe you are connected with Archangel Michael also. So maybe you believe in him. So let's see what your messages from Archangel Gabriel. Let's see. For group number 3. We have Sagittarius. Wow. So it's about I just felt good luck, Sagittarius, and I'm getting this Jupiter vibes here because Jupiter, Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter, so I just felt that. Okay, that good vibes here, isn't it? I feel like yeah, Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter, isn't it? Okay, so yeah, I'm getting that vibe of Jupiter. Like, let me just check, because I am just saying something that is wait a second. Yeah, it's Jupiter. I was just like confused. I was not confused, but I wanted to be sure. Okay, so yeah, I'm getting this Jupiter vibe, this good luck vibe, this expansion vibe for you guys. And we have the green color, heart chakra. So many of you are healing your heart, you're healing your past, and because of that you're moving forward, and your heart is going to be open to receive all the abundance. So Archangel Gabriel is saying, so there's a lot of good luck coming your way. Okay, that is what I felt for you guys. So let's see what is the card. What must be shall be. Wow, we have 7 numbers. So I feel this pile is kind of spiritual also. I feel you're very spiritual. You believe in angels, you believe in archangels, you believe in your ancestors, you have been working with them, or maybe you pray a lot, you do your rituals, something like that. I feel like, or maybe you're offering something to your ancestors. So if you're doing that, keep on doing it. Okay, so maybe for some of you, I even feel like that you're researching about your ancestors or something like that. You're digging deep about your family line or something like that, tree, yeah, something like that. About I feel like that you have been digging, you have been learning about it, about your ancestors. Or maybe for some of you, learning something esoteric, maybe you're learning something spiritual, maybe you're learning about astrology, you're digging deep, you're like, yeah, I feel that vibe. You're doing something, you're learning a lot, and you want to I feel with this, what must be shall be. With this I feel like you have been working a lot. I feel like that you have been learning, you have been working on your passion, you have been working on your spirituality, you have been trying you have been very disciplined. But at the same time, for this pile, I feel you feel like you have been working a lot, but at the same time you're not receiving that much back. Or maybe you feel like that you wanted to make this amount of money but you are not getting it, right? Or maybe you want to have a stable career but you are not having that, or maybe you want to have a stable relationship but you don't have it right now. But that doesn't mean that you will not have, because what is yours is yours. You're destined to have. Yeah, I feel if you want something right now in your life, maybe it can be money, anything, and and I feel you will achieve that. That is what I feel like. Okay, whatever your dreams are, you will achieve. Okay, yeah, because you are meant for this. You are meant to, I feel you're very much connected to your destiny. Maybe you are doing something very different, you know, your career is very different. You do something from home, or maybe you're freelancers, or maybe you make do some maybe stitching from home. I'm getting this machine, like yeah, you make dresses, or you make jewelry, or you make good food, or maybe healthy food, or maybe you work with herbs. I don't know, but whatever it is, you're meant to do this and you're going to succeed in it. So if you're feeling like that, yeah, I'm not going to get this, when I'll get this, if you're thinking about that, you don't have to think too much, because what is yours is not going to go anyway. Even if you don't put that you know, even if you take one day break, it's okay. Archangel Gabriel is saying you have been working, even if you take one day break, it's fine, okay? And look at that red color energy. You have so much of passion. You are working hard. You are perfectionist. I feel like that, okay? For some of you, if you are very, very perfectionist, it's time to not be so perfectionist, okay? It's okay to be imperfect. Sometimes perfection comes in imperfection. Does this make sense? I don't know, but I feel like that. Sometimes we don't have to be so perfect, right? We are human beings. We have a lot of flaws, so accept that you cannot be perfect, okay? So understand that, okay? And let go of the worry what other people will say about your work. Maybe you want everything very perfect and you doubt about it, oh, whether this is perfect or not. You know, just be confident about your work, or be confident about your product, and give it, you know, if you're selling your product, be confident about it and just do it confidently, okay? And if you feel like that you're not getting the job you always desire to, you will, because what is yours is yours. No one else is going to take that away from you, okay? So that is what is the first message. And moon phases cycles might be important. Maybe you work with moon cycles, so just go and keep on working, because I feel there is a connection with astrology. Maybe you want to learn astrology, or maybe learn tarot, or maybe maybe you want to learn something spiritual. Just go for it if you want to, okay? But whatever thing you're passionate about, just go for it, because you will receive the blessings. I feel like that. So let's see what else for group number 3. Wow, look at the green energy again. Queen of Earth. Yes, you are with this Queen of Earth, you are meant to have that materialistic things you want in your life. Family, a business. Maybe for some of you want to do business. Yes, business is quite possible. Your family life, you will be able to enjoy your family life. At the same time, you came here to enjoy your family life and to have the materialistic things in your life, okay? So you are not here for living in lack. So you need to change that lack mentality. For some of you, it's about your lack mentality that you need to get over it, because you need to release that lack mentality, because you are here to live a very good life, okay? And you're very mature people, understand that. Make time for those around you. Take a sensible approach. Deal with challenges in a kind and understanding manner. Okay, for some of you, this is a message that you need to know right now, that sometimes it's important to understand different person's perspective also, okay? Right? And with this Queen of Earth, there is a need to be more kind to other people. Understand that, okay? But more I'm getting that you're meant, this is what I feel, Archangel Gabriel is saying, that you came here to be happy. You came here to live your life with joy, and to do something that you love, okay? Not to do something that you don't like, Okay, you will be like, I feel like you will be teaching other people how to be more sensible or something like that. I feel like that you are yeah, maybe you are right now, you are like a knight who is learning, but you're meant to be a queen. Okay, okay, let's see what else. You have a lot of passion, you have a lot of fire inside of you. Go for it. Again, yeah, you might be page, you're right now, you might be a page, you're gonna become a queen. And again we have this green color, earthly based things, right? You have been, maybe for some of you, you have started a new business or something, whatever it is. I told you some good news is going to come about good news about financial matters, wanting to do something more challenging, a new area of study. And I told you about study. So whatever you're studying, whatever you're working on, whatever business plans you have, whatever you're working on your career or whatever it is going to be good. It's going to be best. Don't worry about it. What is yours, okay? And look at the back of the deck, the wheel. Okay, for some of you, I feel you have been dealing with a little bit of yeah, again we have this astrology science. So yeah, with this astrology science, maybe you want to learn astrology, go for it. Maybe you want to start doing readings, or maybe you want to provide services, something like that. Just go for it, do it. And yeah, right now your wheel is going to turn in your favor. Maybe you had a period where you were not feeling that good, maybe your finances were not so good, but yeah, it's changing. The wheel is turning in your favor. Okay, let's see what else for group number 3. Yeah, woman, you with this queen of earth and this two this two, I feel I'm getting the same vibe, where you will be able to take care of your family. At the same time, you can follow your heart and you can do something that you're passionate about. And I feel for this pile, you want stability, you want security, you want financial growth, you want to give to your family members, you want to make your family happy. Yes, you are meant to do that. I feel for this pile, you will not only make your family happy, not only have a good relationship. If you're already married, then I see a very good stable home life. And if you have plans to marry, yes, you will be a very good mother. If you want to become a mother, you will be a very good mother. And your words are very kind, compassionate. That's what I felt like. You with this queen of earth, you are very compassionate person. You have kind words for everyone. You see the good in everything, and keep on doing that, because this will take you very, very far away, because you're meant to have like a family life plus a home life, or maybe you will do something from your home and that will be successful. So yeah, you're meant to be very stable in your life. Okay, so let's see what else. Love, again love, look at that, lot of love, lot of family love, lot of friendship love. You will be giving that love, and you will be receiving the love also. Yeah, self-discipline. Yeah, I feel like you are very self-disciplined. If you are not, be disciplined, because with the self-discipline you will be achieving a lot of success in your life. I feel for this pile, you're meant to be very successful, really, and you will be loved by other people. You will give the love to other people. You will be learning, you will be digging, you will be having so much of information. You have so much of wisdom to give to other people. Whatever services you will provide, people will love it. People will appreciate you for your work. In your family life, or in your family also, people will come and seek advice from you. I feel like that. You will help your family members. Because you are so knowledgeable. That's why you have so much wisdom. And Archangel Gabriel is saying, use kind words. I'm sure you use that only. Use kind words. Be compassionate to other people. And with self-discipline and with love, you can achieve anything you desire in this world, because all your dreams will manifest. All you need to is take the pathway of love and self-discipline. I feel for you guys. That is what Archangel Gabriel is saying for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.